In this grade 11 mathematical literacy video, we are starting our revision for final examination as early as now. So to do that, we are going to do it with an 8 of exam questions. In this video, we are going to be looking at an exam question on tax payable, or rather taxable income, and it is also going to cover rebates. Once again, we are looking at a taxable income question. So with taxable income, you know the main aim is to calculate tax payable. So it says that Malcolm, a 65-year-old consultant, earns annual taxable income of $981,500 for the 2023/2024 tax year. He does not belong to a medical aid. Table 8 shows the tax table for 2023 and 2024, and table 9 shows rebates for those years. So we are looking at our table 8, and remember he earns $981,500. So we are looking as to which tax bracket does he belong to. So he belongs to the one that is between 857, 901 and 1,817,000. So that is the tax bracket that he belongs to. So this column, the column of annual tax income, is only to determine which tax column that he belongs to. And then we were also told that he's 65 years old, and as you know, with rebates, if you're 65 years old, it means that you will get the rebates for persons that are younger than 65, which is the 17,225 for 2024, and you will also get for the ones of persons of 65 and older, which is 9,444. So that means that he will get the primary rebate as well as the secondary rebate. So the questions we have says use the table and the information above to answer the questions that follow. 5.1.1 wants us to state the total number of rebates Malcolm qualifies for. We have already stated that he will get 2 of them, the primary one and the second one. So that means that for the people that are younger than 65, and also for the people that are 65 and older. So the question said the total number is 2 rebates. If it had said state which, then that's when we would have said primary and secondary. Then the next question says calculate Malcolm's monthly tax payable. So that's going to take us back to our table 9. And remember, we had already determined which tax bracket he falls under. So that column has done its part. It was for us to determine which tax bracket. We now know our calculations have to start with 251,258 plus 41% of the amount that is above 857,900. So to get that amount, we simply take his annual income, which is 981,500, and we minus the amount above. And then we start by solving what is inside the brackets first. So the 981,500 minus 857,900, that will give us 123,600. That is why you're seeing in the next line that we have the 251 just as it is plus the 41,000 just as it is, and then we solve that which is in the bracket. The next thing that we need to do is to get rid of those brackets by taking the 123,600, multiplying it by 41%. So that's going to give us 50,676. So that's why in the next line you're saying we have 251,258 plus 50,676. From there, that gives us our new gross annual income before rebates of 301,934. Then we minus the first rebate of 17,235. Then we also minus the second rebate of 9,444, giving us 275,255 divided by 12 to get a monthly tax, which is 22,938 and 92 cents.
Have YouTube recommend you more of my videos, be sure to click the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below.